Yo, I'm on spot. I've just passed the place. Bird's eye view, yeah, for a truck driver. Something I just thought of. Yesterday I reached somewhere and I think 3 minutes behind me was another guy. You know, this stuff here, it's all about you finish job or knock, and the particular job I'm doing is you paid per day. So if you hurry up, you get more, you know, for your money, innit? So it's a 10 hour, supposedly 10 hour day. They try and get you 10 hours. But sometimes obviously we'll go to 11 or, you know, rarely will it go to 12. But sometimes 11, maybe 8, maybe, you know, 8 minimum, 8, 9, 11, something like that. So if you do shorter, then you're happy, ain't it? Yesterday I get to my next one. I'm hurrying up. I've beaten my times. But guess what? I have read all the stuff. They give you how to get to the place. Yeah, that's all right. But it's not as easy as that, you know, understanding what you say. Or when you get there, it's more under blah, 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 blah. The description. You're driving and you're also trying to understand the instructions. So sometimes it doesn't make that much sense. But what I'm trying to say is bird's eye view. You're in a toll truck, but also there's an extra that you need. If you're a sharp person who can see from far, you know, scan situation from far away, then you get your hits easily. This particular one is easy to get into. Yeah, that's what it's reminded me. Because once you arrive, if you look far with this particular one, you can see that the back door is visible from the turning in point. I'm talking about these big mall areas where you don't know where to get in. Yesterday I parked somewhere, went to ask, some guy passed me. When I got there, we were just laughing about it. Oh man, I just hit you by 5 minutes, blah 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 blah. But it was actually a brief one. Actually, I used the time to go and do my shopping, and by the time I finished, he was leaving. That's the good thing also with doing supermarket things. You can save time by doing your shopping while, you know, you're at the spot. Saves you a lot of time instead of, you know, efficiently did my shopping while he unloaded. By the time I finished, he had finished, so I got in, kaboom. So truckers, they need to be able to see far. In fact, when they're training you, that's one major thing. They tell you to look far. So I'm waiting for the door to open. Normally, if it doesn't happen, you walk in and actually tell them. Maybe they are busy, maybe they are not hearing it. Maybe the buzzer don't work. You get? Or sometimes they just need to see you. Like, they need you to look like you need to get. It's a supermarket culture, but actually some of them are more instant than others. But this one is well busy, busiest one. So it's understandable what they need to do, what they need to do. But also some of them, these guys keep throwing them items without really telling them that we are coming. So then they have to prepare. Anyway, sub to this channel, lovely channel. UK trucker, man from Africa, telling stories, opinions, videos. Not only trucking, I try and talk about anything else. Alright, sub them and give us a thumbs up. Do not go like that. Great, yeah? See you soon. Love.